how to attach your system. So this just arrived. This is my second system from Lordhair. It is a medium thickness model, S3 fine mono with PU perimeter. It's been amazing so far. The first one lasted so much longer than I expected, and it's still fine. I can still use it, which is amazing. So, okay, today, how to attach your system. Seeing that this is a brand new one out of the box, I'm going to show you the process without cleaning it and all that, but I will show you as soon as I take it off in a few weeks time how to clean it, how I go about doing that, and then reattaching, which is super simple. I like using the tape that you can order from the Lordhair website. I've tried the ultra hold glue and all that, but it doesn't last as long as the tape, and I have a very active lifestyle, so I need it to last long. So you'll notice, because my hairstyle isn't comb over, I tend to not put the tape right up to the edge. I prefer to put it a little bit higher. Now, when I do have a comb over style, yes, I will definitely put it right up to the edge. You can definitely do that as well. It really doesn't matter. It's just a preference. Believe it or not, this amount of tape is all that it takes. Personally, I like to not tape it right all over, like with no spaces, because I find it lasts just as long if I tape it like this. And for me, I just spare some tape. With the way that I did it now, it usually lasts up to 3 weeks. And like I said, it's a lot of exercise and things I do. And the heat over here is too much. So, and yeah, and I've never had any problems with it at all. Once you have the one side of the tape on, you need to position it perfectly. So what I usually do is I feel where the hairline is supposed to start, and I position the front. Then I double check that it's even on the sides, and then I check the back as well. So then I usually hold the front and I flip over the back. This is where you might need someone to help you. So someone needs to take off the covering for the tape on the part that you flipped over now. And then all you do is you just gently put it back and you press and hold it for like 10 seconds or so. Usually I just use one hand. So one hand still holding it, the other hand is just placing it back down. After that, I just flip over the other side. I do the exact same thing, and there we go. As easy as that. So this system is brand new. So after I attached it, I had it cut the same day. So just a quick tip, what I like to do is once it's attached, the next day or so, I wash it. And then you can just style it however you want. This is a free style kind of system, so I can do whatever. On average, with cleaning it and reattaching it, it takes maybe sometimes not even an hour. Alright, so I hope that helped you. At the end of the video, I'll put some before and after pictures. And yeah, see you in the next video.